Today we are going to discuss 3 common challenges that can significantly impact our self-control, stress, anxiety, and anger. While these emotions are a natural part of life, learning to manage them effectively is a crucial aspect for maintaining our well-being and making these sound decisions. Stress, anxiety, and anger. Stress, anxiety, and anger are often intertwined, feeding off each other and creating a vicious cycle. Stress can lead to anxiety, which in turn can trigger the anger. Understanding the unique characteristics of each emotion is actually the first step in developing the effective coping strategies. Stress is our body's response to demands or pressures. It can be caused by work, relationships, health concerns, or any number of other factors. While some stress can be motivating, excessive or chronic stress can take a toll on our physical and mental health. Anxiety is basically a feeling of worry, nervousness, or unease. It can be a normal reaction to stress, but when it comes to excessive or persistent, it can interfere with your daily life. Anxiety often involves the physical symptoms like a racing heart, sweating, or difficulty breathing. Anger is a strong feeling of displeasure or hostility. It can be a natural response to perceived injustice or unfairness, but when it's expressed in unhealthy ways, it can damage relationships and harm out the well-being. Strategies for stress, anxiety, and anger management. There are many different ways to manage your stress, anxiety, and anger, but the most effective approach is often a combination of strategies tailored to your individual needs and preferences. So here are some healthy coping mechanisms to consider. Firstly, for stress, you can use different relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, and mindfulness meditation can help to calm your nervous system and reduce stress. Secondly, learning to manage your time effectively can help you feel more in control and less overwhelmed by your responsibilities. Thirdly, engage in activities that you enjoy and that brings you joy. This can help you take your mind off your worries and reduce stress. Heading on to anxiety, one of the most important ways to cope with anxiety is through cognitive behavioral therapy. This type of therapy can help you identify and change the negative thought patterns that contribute to anxiety. Exposure therapy is another important method. If your anxiety is triggered by specific situations or objects, gradual exposure to those triggers in a safe and controlled environment can help you overcome your fears. Finally, eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and avoiding caffeine and alcohol can help you to reduce your anxiety symptoms. Moving to anger, the first step to overcome anger issues is building communication skills. Learning to express your anger in a healthy and constructive way can help you resolve the conflicts and maintain positive relationships. The second method is learning the problem-solving skills. Identify the root cause of your anger and then explore solutions to address it. This can help you feel more in control and less frustrated. Lastly, if you feel your anger escalating, take a break from the situation. Go out for a walk, listen to music, or do something else to distract yourself until you feel calm. The power of self-care. In addition to these specific strategies, prioritizing your self-care is essential for managing stress, anxiety, and anger. This means taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health. Make time for activities that nourish your soul, whether it's reading, spending time in nature, or pursuing a creative hobby. Managing these emotions is an ongoing process. It takes time, effort, and willingness to experiment with different strategies, but you can effectively navigate these challenges and improve your overall well-being through a bit of effort.